Water. We need it to live. All of our cells soak in water. 55 to 60% of your body weight is water. So let's throw that into perspective. If you're a 200-pound male, you're about 120 pounds of water. If you're a 130-pound female, you're about 72 pounds. So this is where you say, I drink a lot of water, I got this covered. Well, what might surprise you is the varying amount of water all the different cells contain. Muscle and brain tissue contain about 75% water. Blood's about 83%. Now, I probably don't need to state the obvious here, but that impacts virtually every system in the body, including the circulatory system. That's a system that moves blood throughout the body, which is vital for our survival. Distributing blood and other nutrients to all your body's organs and tissues is another function of water. Knowing that blood is 83% water, I'd say we should keep the water flowing, right? Okay. So let's put this into a real practical life situation, which I've experienced. Go to the doctor, and the doctor sends an order to have my blood work drawn. And as I'm leaving, the medical assistant, of course, is taking me to the checkout desk and says, don't forget to fast. I say, yeah, no problem. I'll remember that. So I call and make my appointment, and the phlebotomist, of course, forgets to remind me to fast. So because I didn't fast, that blood work may not be accurate. And we all know what that means. You have to reschedule that blood draw appointment. So what does fasting mean? Fasting means don't eat or drink anything but water, usually 8 to 12 hours beforehand. So if your appointment is at 8 a.m. and you're told to fast, that means only water is okay after midnight. So a friendly reminder of just how important water is to your blood and how we can eliminate the confusion of fasting to save ourselves all headaches as we gracefully add years young with special blood panels as it continues. Bone is about 22%, fat, your adipose tissue, is about 25%, and eyes are 95% water. So what's the bottom line here? We know that water has important jobs. What exactly does it do? So water brings nutrients into the cells and carries waste products away from them. It lubricates, cushioning tissues and joints, acting as shock absorbers. It's a catalyst starting for chemical reactions. It provides minerals. So it's safe to say you've concluded that it's fluids in and fluids out. Next time we'll discuss what dehydration means and how do you know if you're hydrated.